Hey everyone! I'm so excited to share this little gem I recently got. It's the 10-color Luxury Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette from TEMU, and I have to say, it's quickly become a favorite in my collection. I picked up shade number 01, and the colors are just gorgeous. They're a mix of pewter, silver, copper, tan, dark brown, and black, with just a hint of shimmer that catches the light beautifully. The palette itself is super cute. It comes in a Clasp-style case with a mirror built into the lid, which is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Full disclosure, when mine arrived, one side of the clasp was broken, but it's hidden inside the package, so a little glue will fix it easily. Inside, you also get a double-ended sponge applicator, which works fine, though I usually prefer using my own brushes, or even my fingertips for a smoother application. The texture of these shadows is amazing, really smooth and silky, and they glide onto the lids effortlessly. I've been trying different looks, from soft daytime shimmers to bold evening smoky eyes, and the palette handles all of it beautifully. One of the things I love most is that there's no fallout, so your makeup stays clean and vibrant all day, which is a huge plus. In terms of versatility, you can mix and match colors, build up the intensity, or go for a softer blended look. I've even used it for music festival looks and holiday events, and it works perfectly. The palette feels elegant, like a mini luxury item, and the color payoff is seriously impressive for the price. If I had to mention a small downside, it's just the clasp issue I mentioned, and I guess some of the outer cardboard packaging might get a little banged up in shipping, but nothing affects the product itself. Overall, this palette is worth every penny. It's fun, versatile, and perfect for experimenting with different eye looks. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've linked the product in the description and pinned comment, and you can use my $0 gifts code FRC05365 for a free or discounted offer. Seriously, go grab it and try it out. I think you'll love it as much as I do.